Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload photos in Google Drive and share link. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Google Drive. So let me open Google Drive first. So click on go to Drive. So now you can see that I am in my Google Drive. So first step you simply need to click on new, and here you can see file upload, folder upload. So I'm going to create a new folder. So it is how to. For example, click on create. So now you can see that folder is created. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see drop file here or use the new button. So you simply need to click on new, and from here you simply need to click on file upload. So I'm going to upload these images. For example, click on select, and now these images are uploading. So here you can see that. So wait for a few seconds once all are uploaded. Okay, so once you can see that all images are uploaded onto my how to folder. So here you can see that, and then you need to click on share here. Click on share, and here you can see that restricted. So you simply need to click on anyone with the link. Okay, and click on copy link. So now you have the link that you can share with anyone, this link, and they can get access to your photos that are here. So this is the process by which you can upload photos in Google Drive and share link. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.